In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to your Uber account on your PC. Whether you're setting up a new ride or checking on past trips, accessing your Uber account on a computer can be a convenient option. All you'll need is a stable internet connection and your login details for Uber. So let's dive right into it. Firstly, open your preferred internet browser on your PC. You could go with Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you're comfortable with. Make sure that your browser is up to date to avoid any unexpected glitches. Then navigate to the Uber website. You can do this by entering www.uber.com in the address bar at the top of your browser window and pressing enter. This will take you to the Uber homepage where you can see various options like Get a Ride, Business, and more. Once you're on the Uber homepage, you're going to want to look for the Log In option. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on it. This action will take you to a new page where you'll be prompted to enter your login details. If you've forgotten your password or Uber ID, don't worry, there's an option to recover it. Now, enter your email address or phone number and your password linked to your Uber account. It's essential to be cautious here to avoid any typos. If you feel like the keyboard on your PC might cause you to make a mistake, you can click on the little eye icon next to the password field to reveal your password as you type it. This will help ensure you're entering the correct information. Once you've double-checked that everything is correct, click the next button. If you used your phone number instead of your email, Uber might send you a text message with a confirmation code. Enter this code in the field that appears. This step is an added security measure to keep your account safe. After successfully entering your login details, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Here, you'll find all your options like booking a ride, viewing trip history, and managing payment methods. It's all conveniently in one place, which makes navigating through your Uber options straightforward. As a tip, if you're planning on using Uber frequently from your PC, you might want to save the login page to your browser's favorites or bookmarks. This way, you can easily access it without having to type the URL every time. And that's it. You've now logged into your Uber account on your PC. Feel free to explore and utilize all the features Uber offers online. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like these. Enjoy your Uber experience.